Credit Karma Honest Review. Watch before using. Credit Karma is a popular financial tool designed to help you stay on top of your credit score and manage your financial health. The app provides free credit score monitoring, credit reports, and personalized financial recommendations based on your credit profile. It's ideal for anyone who wants to track their credit score regularly without paying for it, especially if you're looking to improve your credit or apply for loans, mortgages, or credit cards. One of the standout features is that Credit Karma pulls data from two major credit bureaus, TransUnion and Equifax, offering you a broader picture of your credit standing. They also provide credit alerts, so if there's any significant change to your credit report, you'll get a notification right away. However, it's important to know that the scores you see in Credit Karma are Vantage score models, not the widely used FICO scores. This might lead to slight differences between what you see on the app and what lenders use to assess you. Another thing to consider is that while Credit Karma offers various financial product recommendations, such as credit cards, personal loans, and mortgages, these suggestions are affiliate-driven, meaning Credit Karma earns commissions if you sign up. This doesn't make the recommendations bad, but it's essential to keep this in mind when exploring their offers. For those worried about privacy, Credit Karma does not impact your credit score when checking your data, but be aware that they collect your financial information to tailor their recommendations. That said, they maintain high standards for security. The app is also free, with no hidden fees, making it a budget-friendly option for financial monitoring. Overall, Credit Karma is a useful tool for anyone looking to stay informed about their credit health without any upfront costs. Just keep in mind the differences in score models and the commission-based recommendations. If you're aware of these limitations, Credit Karma can be a valuable resource to help manage and improve your financial well-being.